In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix App Store asks for old Apple ID password on iOS 17. If your iPhone keeps prompting for an old Apple ID, this walkthrough will refresh your account settings and get the App Store, FaceTime, and messages back in sync. Start by opening the Settings app. At the very top, tap your Apple ID card, choose Media and Purchases, then tap Sign Out and Confirm. This signs you out of Apple services like the App Store, Apple Music, and Apple TV, but it does not remove your Apple ID from iCloud or affect your photos, contacts, or device backups. Think of it as clearing stale sign in information that the App Store might still be using. Now sign back in to Media and Purchases with your current Apple ID password. This step replaces any outdated credentials with fresh ones tied to your updated password. If you're offered Face ID or Touch ID during sign in, that's fine to use. It simply authorizes the same account with your current credentials. Next, return to the main settings page and temporarily turn off FaceTime, then turn off messages. Wait a brief moment, then turn both back on. This forces these apps to request new authentication tokens and align with the updated account details you just applied. You might see brief activation messages. This is normal. Make sure you have a stable internet connection while they reactivate. After that, head to Settings and open Screen Time. Go into Content and Privacy Restrictions. Then choose iTunes and App Store purchases. Find the setting that controls when a password is required and set it to Don't Require or choose your preferred option. If you use a screen time passcode, you'll be prompted for it here. Adjusting this setting ensures the App Store isn't prompting more than necessary after your account refresh. Finally, open the App Store and try downloading or updating an app. With the sign in refreshed and services resynced, the system should stop asking for your old Apple ID password. A quick note on why this happens. iOS can hold on to cached credentials from an older password or previous sign in, especially across services like the App Store, Messages, and FaceTime. The steps you just followed clear those stale tokens and replace them with clean, up to date authentication across Apple services. That's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more App Store tips and tutorials.